What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be exploring the Alibaba.com Elite Partner event for the month of March 2022. You guys already know, if we're trying to start an e-commerce business, make money online, passive income, I should say, online, because we're going to research high quality products, outsource the fulfillment of them when they sell, and of course, we're going to capitalize on the dominance of the internet. At least that's what I like to talk about on this channel. You can also start your own, retail store if you want to, but I like to, well, for one, does it count as multi-channel if you sell on multiple websites, or is it just kind of internet as the channel? I like to think of it as multi-channel, even though I guess selling on multiple major e-commerce websites probably just counts as one channel, but that's my preferred approach. I like to import them, send them to a place like Amazon for fulfillment. Of course, there's other options as well that can kind of house your products and fulfill them following an order. But hey, we need to make sure that we are sourcing high quality products, well-researched products from the best suppliers out there, the best manufacturers out there. Unless you plan on somehow making your own products in bulk, which doesn't, I'm laughing because it doesn't sound realistic and it's definitely not passive, then we're going to want to outsource that as well and build a relationship with a world-class high quality supplier, which is why I always leverage the Alibaba.com Elite Partner events, because they're basically hand picking them based on a number of criteria so that they only get the best of the best for us. We come here, we browse the various suppliers, we browse different categories, different types of products. And today we're going to be taking a close look at one that I have selected for us. We're going to take a look at the products that they sell. We're going to browse their catalog and see if they're viable based on the data available to us on Amazon. So why don't we get started? So today we're taking a look at the cosmetics company Gollee, which is participating in the March Elite Partner event. They specialize in eyelash extensions. We're going to take a look at their whole catalog, and what's nice about this space, albeit it is competitive, for good reason though, many people, as we know, it's a part of their daily routine to use cosmetics. So there's a lot of potential, and what I love is that a lot of these products are small, compact, and lightweight, which factors right into our bottom line. If we're going to have to ship these, most likely import them and then also ship them to all of our customers, well, hey, size matters, weight matters. All right. So I'm already intrigued by what's going to be possible. So we'll start by taking a look at their company profile. So they have over 200 brand distributors around the world. Their factory is over 4,500 square meters, and they've got over 50 employees plus relevant certifications like ISO and GMP. As far as logistics go, they can be their products can be officially declared for export, so you'd be able to import them to your primary markets where you intend to sell. Their products, they've got over 20 market-leading product designs per year with a tried and true market-tested fast glue formula that's been working for over 5 years and beloved by customers. Research and development, they've got 2 research and development teams and 10 people total. And as far as their clients go, they've got partnerships with retailers, agents, wholesalers, trading companies, online shop owners across the world, US, Mexico, Canada especially. Some clients have had success with both online and even local businesses. So Gollee Cosmetics is participating in Alibaba.com's Elite Partner event this month. I will, of course, leave a link to their page in the description in case you want to maybe use the contact supplier or chat now button and reach out to them and begin your relationship with them as your manufacturer. So we're going to take a look at their catalog. I've got the PDF loaded up right here. You can find out more about the company at the beginning of it. Here they've got information on really like some of their best selling products. For instance, the fake eyelashes or eyelash extensions, I guess is what we call them. Various thickness are available. I guess you got to figure out what works for you. I personally have never used them. They've got different colors available as well. So that's interesting to note. That might be a part of your research and validation process, because I'm sure if you go to Amazon and look up eyelash extensions like I did here, virtually all of them on page 1 are black. But, hey, there may be a market for various colors. Okay, now I went ahead and I ran Jungle Scout, and we can see here that the average sale price is about $14.74 being sold on Amazon. And man, they're making a lot of sales, because some of them are doing an estimated, $111,000 a month, $112,000 a month. You've got one person doing $74,000 a month. That down here, $180,000 a month, and it looks like they are doing the 0.1 thickness. So again, this is something that we're definitely gonna need to deep dive into if we're serious about selling them and figure out like what's gonna work for us. You typically don't want to launch as an initial product launch a bunch of different SKUs. So at face value, if you don't have experience, you may think like, oh, I'm just selling eyelash extensions. Then you go and you look and you're like, oh, colors, thickness, all these things matter. So you kind of got to figure out, like, probably hone in on 1, 2, maybe 3, and expand your offerings over time. So we'll continue to scroll through their catalog. And as you can see here, it's not just limited to the eyelashes. They've got eyelash glue and eyeliner pens, which are necessary, obviously, to keep them attached. So you'll want to maybe sell a bundle, you know what I mean? Because you can't have one without the other, right? Boxes to include them in, themed boxes, which is great for, if you're trying to do viral marketing campaigns, maybe market them on TikTok. For instance, I was watching another YouTuber earlier today in the e-commerce space, and this girl was like super young and very successful, and she launched her first product like making boxes like these, like themed boxes, selling, I think it was eyelash extensions, if I remember correctly. And like, she didn't reveal completely what she was selling. It sounded like she was selling a couple different products, but she was very successful in this space. And more than anything, she was a good marketer. So when I see cool, like, think out of the box type products like this, I see potential. I don't know if it's necessarily for me. Like, I'm going to stick to what I know best, which is probably Amazon PPC. But if that's your thing, use your advantages. Ultra bonding cream, it looks like, and glues, etc. So not just one type of glue, but multiple. So whatever works best for your customer. And again, what this represents to me when I'm looking is brand potential. All right, the potential to sell more than just one product, but offer complementary products to maybe, we don't necessarily know upfront what our killer product, what our best seller is going to be before we try, right? So you got to dip your toes in the water and actually go take action. But once you have a bestseller, it's always great to launch complementary products rather than launching products in a completely different niche and starting from scratch, right? You can actually benefit your other products by launching complementary products to whatever your bestseller ends up being. Plus, that's market data too, knowing that you're in a niche that is working, right? That's selling well. So more glues, more bonders, cream remover, glue remover, of course. So you put the glue on, then you need the glue remover. So they've got you covered full spectrum, guys. I love it because this is just more opportunity to sell to, your clientele. This would actually be great too to expand a business off of Amazon. So maybe Shopify, right? Because if you have an email list, you can definitely market this to your customers, people who have bought from you previously. Now, Amazon doesn't give that data to us, but Etsy, for instance, you can still peel email addresses off of your Etsy shop. So I would definitely be also making sure to be on Etsy as well, and then remarketing these to your past clientele. Eyelash enhancing serum, lash foam, lash protective sealant, adhesive nozzle wipes. So man, just a massive. You even got the eyelash tweezers here. So actually, I did a search for that up front, and it looks like some of these people selling them on Amazon are doing $15,000 a month, $35,000 a month, $36,000 a month, $39,000 a month, and of course you have the someone's got to come out ahead. Well, these guys are doing, what did it say? $162,000 a month in estimated revenue. So, hey, we can dream, right? If we can manage to make it to the organic rank 1 bestseller, which of course, hey, if that's your ambition, make sure you partner with a qualified top tier supplier like Gollee. That's definitely going to help you, because if you don't have a good product, it's pipe dream at that point. Because without the good feedback from customers that love your product, it's probably not possible. So guys, there's just a huge catalog of products available for us to consider sourcing and selling in the US market. And what's great is they're offering an exclusive discount of up to 15% off right now. So make sure you take action, use the link in the description, go begin your research and of course validation process. And when I say validation, I'm talking financials. You don't want to forget that, because we are in this to make money, guys. So hey, it starts today. I'm definitely going to go and continue the product research process. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you are not already, and I will talk to you soon with a new video.